Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video, we will see how to create a static HTML web app in Azure. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I'm inside the portal. Let me open up Azure Cloud Shell. It'll take some time to load. Let me adjust my headset. It didn't make any difference. Okay. Let it create it by its own. I'll delete it afterwards. It's come to initializing your account for Cloud Shell. I'm inside it. I'm gonna make a directory. Quick start. I'm inside that. Let me check it. Alright, the correct way to change directory is to do cd $home quick start, and it will take it to my directory. Then I'm gonna do a git clone. I'm gonna do a git clone for this URL for this repository. Cloning into HTML docs hello world. Okay. So this command has cloned from this git repository and would make an identical folder HTML docs hello world under this directory. So if I go to HTML docs hello world under this current working directory, so you'll see home Ashish quick start, and inside this it has made this directory. Let me just scroll up righty. I'm gonna make a web app. Let's give a name, static web app. AZ web app location would be West Europe, name static web app. You can do a location of Central India, Mumbai, anything. It says creating a resource group. If I would have add multiple parameters of the resource group of the app service plan, or the app service plan creation complete, website with given name already exists. Static web app. Okay, static web app. Okay, let's see how it goes. Alright, so this is done. Now you see that the app URL is this. So if you copy paste it, browse it, and this is the app service plan. This is the location, the name of the app service, Windows resource group. Let me make a note of the resource. SKU is free. The source path is docs hello world. Fine. Let's try to browse to the app. It is http static web app dot Azure webnet. The reason it is HTTP because we have not deployed the certificate. So this is the default page that you get. Fully man the documentation that is running by default. This is the static web app. Static is it is not a dynamic that you'll change or it will change. It is a static web app. Let's see if I want to update and then deploy it. How does that work? So let me open up the index.html file and we'll use the nano editor for it, which is installed by default on this. So if you would go to the title, you would see the HTML UTF tag. If you will browse up a bit, heading title is this. So let's change this under the H1 heading tab. Let's keep the cursor here. Let's remove it. Okay. It says to save. Last line to save. What do you do? Control O. Control X is file name to index.html. Yes. Control X to exit out. Perfect. Now we'll deploy the web app. So if you remember, this was the easy web app location West Europe name as a static web app. We'll redeploy it. take some time. If you'll see, it's getting SCM site credential for zip deployment. Starting zip deployment, this operation can take a while because it's had seen a changes as it was a minor change. See my hand here. It's a nice application that I'm using. I'm sorry to bring this topic. A bit of delay, a few seconds, but it's worth it. So if you'll try to visit the web app again, now heading, remember we changed the heading. If you refresh it, see, it only says Azure App Service. So this was really nice video I wanted to share with you guys. So from now, let us delete this. If you will go back to your portal, click on reconnect, and if you click on app services, you will see that this static web app has been created. And if you would want to stop it, restart it, delete it, you can do it from the portal as well. You can see in this resource group it is present. This is how it is done. Let me just delete this environment so that I don't get charged. So I'm going to delete the resource group in which this whole infrastructure was set up. Perform this operation. Yes, I do. I'm going to do it again. Paste, enter. Yes, it'll take a few minutes. It is still running. It will take a few minutes. So now you know how to create a static website using Azure app with Azure Cloud Shell. So stay tuned for more videos. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you have any queries, mention in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.